Let's get back to the business. The first working day of a new month, and there's plenty happening. Tomorrow, an interest rate decision from the Reserve Bank. It will be on hold. But what's new is fresh calls that rates eventually will rise. Since last month, money markets have brought forward their expectations of the first rate rise from 12 months' time to around 9 months' time. So they're talking now August next year. Economists, based on their average forecast, still don't see a rise until the fourth quarter next year. But do note, most economists predicting a rate rise think there will be two. Now, like buses, interest rate moves really come alone. There's either no rate move or there's two or three in a row. But something else happens today related to rates. The latest house price numbers are released and will likely show continued cooling, especially in Sydney. Cooling's no bad thing, but it does send a warning to those who have bought recently and those who are thinking of buying. Right now, we're in the middle of the spring selling season when traditionally most homes are sold, so we'll get a gauge on how many properties are hitting the market and whether buyers and banks still have the appetite to take on those properties. Because banks are in a curious position. They make money by lending money to business and to homeowners. Business lending is quiet, and until now, homeowners have been active. But banks have made it tougher for investors, raising rates, requiring more security. But the banks have to balance new lending that boosts their profits without having bad debts if overstretched borrowers go broke that pushes down their profits. And after having pushed up rates for so many investors, the bank's new lending has started to slow. Indeed, many banks right now are pushing down rates for those people who've got very strong positions. So in other words, if you've got plenty of equity in your house, keep testing your lender to see if in fact you are getting their most competitive rate. Over the weekend, the Dow Jones jumped 49 points, the dollar 78.35 US cents.